Here are some helpful tips when installing the Schneider Pulse CSED. Relabel the existing CSED to ensure all circuits are identified properly. If applicable, mark wires as backup or non-backup to ensure they get installed in the correct section of the Pulse CSED. To ensure the CSED is mounted at the proper height with the utility meter at least 48 inches to center, and the top circuit breaker less than 77 inches from the ground, draw a vertical line on the leftmost stud from 48 inches to 52 inches. If you can see a portion of this line through the mounting bracket's horizontal channel to the left of the meter socket, your panel is mounted at the correct height. Take advantage of all the wiring space in the Pulse CSED by routing wires behind the bus bars as needed. Ensure the factory-installed Schneider energy monitor is properly set up. This includes connecting the Wi-Fi antenna and mounting it through a half-inch knockout in the bottom of the panel, and commissioning the Schneider energy monitor using the Schneider Smart Panel Setup app. The CSED's metal enclosure is very durable. Use a knockout punch kit for additional holes, as metal hole saws wear out quickly. A small accessory kit is included in the lower right wiring compartment. We recommend installing the accessory ground neutral bar in this lower right compartment. The black components shown here are ferrite cores and retaining brackets. The ferrite core is used to improve communication wire reliability, particularly on any Ethernet cables inside the Pulse CSED. The retaining brackets are specifically for securing the backfeed solar breaker. Remember to install the Pulse CSED's rain hood on top of the panel at the end of the day. For more information on the Pulse CSED, visit se.com.